How to turn off show message notifications on your phone. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off show message notifications on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and click on it. Click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Now scroll down and click on notifications. Scroll down and click on priority. And now you have the first option, which is show notifications. Turn it off or on. And this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.